Keratin treatment is a wonderful treatment for hair which can make hair frizz-free, straight and shiny. And let's face it, we all want our hair to be silky, smooth and shining. But can we afford to spend so much of our money on hair treatment so frequently? I understand how frustrating it must be to not be able to have such flawless hair all the time by visiting salons more often. But what if I told you that you can get the same healthy looking hair at home by doing a keratin treatment at home? Is it possible? We are going to share about it. To make this keratin hair mask at home, all you will need is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and 1 tablespoon of rice. All you have to do is simply pour 1 glass of water, add 2 tablespoons of rice to it and add flaxseed. Boil the rice for about 10 minutes and then also add some aloe vera gel if you have. You have to check the texture, whether it is thick or not. You will see the texture becoming slowly turning into gel-like form. If you do not have patience to keep on boiling the mixture, then you can simply grind it too. In the mixture and then you will get Korean hair mask keratin at home. In order to apply this mask, firstly start by washing your hair. This step is very important because a lot of oil and dirt accumulates in the hair which prevents the treatment from having the desired impact. Therefore, always begin any therapy by washing your hair first. Then massage your hair with the smooth mixture. Leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash the hair, then you will feel your hair to be softer, smoother and frizz-free. You can apply this mixture on hair once every week for better result. However, how long this treatment lasts depends on how you take care of your hair. This DIY treatment mask is packed with natural components that can help our hair in a variety of ways. They normally have no side effects, although they may or may not work for your hair. If you have any problems after applying the mixture, you may stop using it and consult your dermatologist. Keratin is a protein that makes up our hair. It protects our hair from the elements and gives it a glossy, healthy sheen. But with our daily grind of pollution, hairstyle tools, overuse of shampoos and hair products, the natural keratin is washed away, leaving us with frizz, dry and dead hair. But the keratin treatment can restore the lush protein to your hair, which results in healthier, smoother and frizz-free hair. So, it is high time now to use this keratin treatment mask at home and get soft, smooth and healthier looking hair. We assure you that you won't regret it. Just give it a try. You are going to love it.